Hey guys, welcome back. We got a Toyota 2020
Hello?
in the garage, and this very car here, we're about to replace the compressor, which we've already replaced, the condenser. However, there are a lot of challenges each time, each level we go. Putting back that very seal there, that very clip that Toyota designed to break. When you want to put it back, it's a whole lot of problem. You're gonna spend like half an hour or even more trying to put it back. Okay, this is the expansion valve, and they're designed in such a way that you can put any other expansion valve except the one for this very car. Getting it out is a whole lot of problem, especially if you are to replace the O-ring seal, which I'm going to be showing you shortly. This guy here, it was a tug of war, like 17 minutes to remove this stain I'm holding right here. Full details of the video on how to remove it is in the video. Catch you guys.